Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a sensor to your iGPSport 200 cycling computer. To start, open the settings and then use this button on the right side to confirm. Push to add sensor, select the type of the sensor you want to add. For example, shifter. Push this button once more and then you can add your sensor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel.